Sick. Stay right there. Just, I have something very, very special and very exciting. 2 of them. Stay right there. Don't move. Okay, I got something, guys. Real special, real exciting. I didn't get just one of the new MacBook Pros. 2 MacBook Pros. What's better than 1 MacBook Pro? 2 MacBook Pros in different sizes this time. Wow! And we're gonna unbox them. Remember when I said in that video earlier, I was like, oh, you know, maybe we'll see, maybe we'll get it.
Maybe we get our hands on one, maybe we don't. I don't know yet.
Okay, so we'll start with the 14-inch to kick things off. Yeah, I'm gonna slice this open nice and easy, just to like a ooh. There's so much MacBook on the table. I don't even know where to put it all. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh Mac? I'm gonna take my rings off. Be extra careful. Wow. First things first. This circular imprint. Who knows what that could be? When I pull this tab up. Definitely hefty. And don't worry, I'll be doing a video comparing the 14-inch to the 16-inch to the old 13-inch. So make sure to get subscribed if you want to see that. Oh boy. This is super exciting. I'm more excited about these than I was about the one from last year. Just look at that. Can you see there? Space gray, super pretty. Got your ports back again. Got your MagSafe 3 this time around. 2 USB-C ports, headphone jack on the left, and on the right you've got your SD card and HDMI and another USB-C Thunderbolt port. And on the bottom, beautifully embossed MacBook Pro lettering, logo, whatever you want to call it. Very, 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 very nice. In the box, you're going to get your braided, super fancy, braided MagSafe cable. I don't know if you can get a peek at that. Braided MagSafe cable. Welcome back, MagSafe. And then, of course, you get on the 14-inch, you get a, normally you get a 60, so this model is the 67 watt power brick because this is the base 14-inch with the 8-core M1 Pro CPU and the 10-core GPU. Get more into that in another video, but keep that in mind. The base model 14 comes with a 67 watt power supply. And there we go. Now it's time for the big guy. By the way, these knives are very sharp. You can ask my younger brother. He had to go to the emergency room the other night because he cut himself. Needless to say, he is okay. Had to get some stitches, but I think he learned the hard way that knives are sharp, so don't play with knives. Also, Apple just gives you the pull tab, so maybe you just do that. I don't know. I just like knives. Anyway, the Mac Daddy, the 16-inch. Here we go. Pulling this lid off is always so satisfying, even though I already know what's inside. We're just, look at that, yeah. I get so excited over this kind of stuff. Look how big this thing is. It's ginormous. Same thing, got that circular imprint on the paper there, I guess, to show off the Apple logo because, you know, Apple. Let me peel this off. Oh, yeah. Now that's a big boy. Now, I know what I said. I remember that I said that
I just don't see the worth of going to 16.
I wasn't going to get, you know, the 16-inch was dangerously close to a 17-inch, and you were right. However, before you tune away, I got the 16-inch because when I thought about it a little bit more, I was like, for the price, stepping up to the 16 really made a lot of sense for what I want to do with it. I'm not happy about the extra size, having to lug it around.
However,
I think that it'll make an improvement in terms of being able to have more windows open, that sort of thing. I don't know. I couldn't resist it. 16-inch, same ports, no difference here. And some ventilation on the sides here, which I don't think the ventilation was the same on the 14. Let's take a look, actually. Both are in the space gray color. Yes, there is ventilation on the 14 as well. On these sides here, they almost, if I didn't know any better, I'd say that looks like a CD drive, but that's something we probably won't see returning anytime soon. So here you go on the table. Here's the 2 different sizes. you have your 16 and your 14, the 14 on the left and your 16 on the right. Let's go ahead and power them both on. There's your 16. And then here's your 14. Hello! Hello, hello, hello. Hola. So there you go. On the insides, here is your two MacBook Pros, the 16 and the 14, side-by-side screen size. I will definitely make sure to do more videos on this very soon, so make sure, again, to get subscribed. I plan to do some performance testing on both models, as well as just my thoughts in terms of sizing and all of that sort of thing. So anyway, that's the unboxing experience. Right off the bat, I can tell you that the keyboards look the same size, but these trackpads are noticeably different sizes. This trackpad is definitely about the size of the 13, and I will try to go confirm that. This one, however, is very large. I can fit both my hands side by side on it. Not quite on this one, so there you go. That is, these are the new MacBook Pros. I'm going to go and set them up, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. So that's it. Close them up. Boop. Now I gotta put them back in the box. Go on. We're done here. Wait for the next one.
Okay, well, you get your laptop up. Look at that. Yeah. Welcome back to the video. It's Tyler. It's been a hell of a trip. It's been about 50 years later. So
50 years later.
all right, 30 years later.